Welcome to Chris Farms and Extension Services alias Chris Farm Nigeria. Today we are bringing you to Manure Scrapper installation. It comes with the scraper, it comes with the machine, and it comes with the control panel. And this is a scraper. It comes also with a pulley. That's a pulley. This is a pulley. This is a scraper. This is the machine. Why this is the control panel. Come. This is a control panel, so it comes with a complete set of the machine. So should in case you want to go into you are into farm setup, or you are into poultry farm setup and you need a scraper, we have them. We don't sell locally made ones, to sell imported ones, and they could come on 3 rows, they could come on 2 rows. This is on a 3 row. This is 1. Can pick it up. This is 1, 2 and 3. If you are doing on a 3 row, you'll be needing 7 pulleys. If you're on 3 row, you'll be needing 7 pulleys, which is 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and 4 at the back. So should in case you're buying from us and you're buying on 3 row, you'll be having that same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you're buying on a 2 row, you'll be having 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, 4. We were having 4 for 2 rows, but this one we have here is on 3 rows. So should in case you need manure scraper for your farm setup, or you already imported it irrespective of the country you are, and you want someone to come and help you to install it, we do the installation. We also sell the machine. We also do the installation for you irrespective of the state you are, irrespective of where you are. You can always reach out to us. Our number is 080 36 92 57 18. If you are not in Nigeria, please put our country code +2 3480 36 92 57 18. So today I want to teach you specifically on just the installation of the bar of this manure scraper, because this manure scraper comes in hole this way, this whole way. It will come in 2.2 meters, it will come in 2.4 meters. So if depending on the cage you are going for, the kind of or the size of your pit, you can go for 2.4, you can go for 2.2, but they are same price. But if it is on a 3 roll, the 3 rolls price is different from the 2 roll price. So we are not talking about price because of the policies in YouTube channel. We're not talking about price in here. But should in case you want to reach out to us on our pricing, you can chat us up. We are 24 hours on WhatsApp. Irrespective of where you are, you can always reach out to us. A respondent to respond to you once you call us. Our number remains 080 36 92 57 18. If you are not in Nigeria, remember to put our country code +2 3480 36 92 57 18. So today I want to talk about how to install manual scraper, the ferries, so that you just know how it's been done. First of all, you're going to get the manure scraper. You install it inside your pit. Your pit could be 2.2, it could be 1.8, depending on the cage you're buying. Now, coming to cage, before you talk about the manure scraper, you'll be talking about the kind of cage you are using. If you are using 120 or 128 or 160 capacity, you'll be needing 2.2, 2.4 meter or 2.2 meters, because the cage itself is usually 2.2. Should in case you are going in for 120 capacity, the cage width is 2.4 meters. So because of the pit, you are going to be doing 2.2 meter for the pit, so that when you put in the manure scraper, it will just lap. This is the length of a manure scraper. This is the length of manure scraper. This is the length of manure scraper. Should in case you buy from us and we are coming to install, we can also adjust for you. Either you are buying from us, either you are not buying from us, and you want us to install, we can come. If you bought from us, we can come and install for you. If you didn't even buy from us, we can also come and install for you. We can do the adjustment to suit whatever you have. So if we are to do this manure scraper installation, we get to know the center. We are going to put in the pulley. You can see the center between here now. This is where the bar is to pull out the rope. This one, you tie the rope in here, there, so that this one will now pull down to the pulley the other side. This is how it goes. It goes through a through and fro motion. That is the process it goes. If this one is going in now, one will be coming, two will be going back, one will be coming front. We can as well do it two coming front, one going back. So it goes through and fro motion. That is how it works. And as a result of that, that is doing it, is going to clear up all the dunks in your manure scraper on your pit. It makes the work easy. There's no drudgery in this job. All you just need to do is to turn on the power sector, click it on, it moves through and through. Then if you are using if you want to use this manure scraper, you need a minimum of 5 kVA generator to run it, and it's usually on a 3-phase. All machines on agro process or agro farm or farm setup, their machines are usually on a 3-row. This is not an exception. This is a manure scraper. It's also on a 3-row, and it uses 3 phases. It uses 3-phase generator. Should in case you want to install, please try to have a minimum of 5 to 10 kVA on a 3-phase. That is what can work it. If you are going for manure scraper, you should have 25 kVA to run a manure dryer if you want it. But this one, 5 kVA generator on 3-phase can run it too. And it's from the recent times, we've been selling this manure scraper for a long time. We discovered that you can also fabricate this lister. You can convert it to 3-phase to also run your if you run the manure scraper. Should in case you cannot buy a soundproof generator. Soundproof generator generally has 3 phases. But if you buy a lister generator, you can convert it to 3-phase and use it to run this machine. It makes the work easy for you. It helps you to clean up everything, and everything is easy. There is no need of you going under this thing to be packing the dunks. The manure scraper scrapes it out for you. So should in case you want a manure scraper, please reach out to us. We are first-hand importers of this manure scraper. We have them in bulk. We have them in 2 rows. We have them in 3 rows. Should in case you need any of them, you can reach out to us. Once you call us, a respondent to respond to you. So we'll just give you a little rundown on how this thing is being installed. Now this is the pulley. You come in and you tighten it using a 17-ring spanner. Although I've tightened it before now, just put it, turn it and tighten it. It is very simple. You tighten it. So after tightening it, you get the center of this place. You crack the wall. You can see how this place has been cracked. You put in this pulley. We are going to cast it and ensure that this line coincides with this one, so that it can be able to pull it up. And this thing runs either through and through. It rotates 360. It could turn right anti-clockwise, it could turn clockwise direction, depending on where the machine you are directing the machine to go. So as it's going this way, this manure scraper will start rolling. And this manure scraper is imported one. It has tires, it rolls, so it's very easy to move. And when it's going, it scrapes the pit. And when it's coming back, it raises up this way so that it can easily roll back. And it has a tire. It has a tire here. It has a tire here. This one enables it to roll on this wall. When it gets in here, please come to this so that you see what I'm saying. When it's rolling into the place, you remember this is a pit. Remember this is a pit. As it's rolling in there, these ones will help to roll it in case it touches the wall. These rollers will roll on the wall down here to enable it to roll out. So it rolls down to that side. That is how it's being done. Then in installing the manure scraper, it's you getting the middle of this place. You dig here so that you can cast it using a foundation bolt. The foundation bolt doesn't come with it, but we have already bought it during installation. We'll put the foundation bolt on the pulley so that it will not pull out. Then you come here. We can now carry this manure scraper machine. This is a manure scraper machine. This is it. You can see it's new. It needs we put oil inside the manure scraper. Open it and put the oil. Then before now, this is where we put the oil. If you want to put oil, then this thing will be carried and we'll install it here using a foundation bolt to sit it down. Then we'll now put the rope. Look at the marine rope here. After doing the installation, The last thing we are going to do, we are going to work on the control panel. This is a control panel. We'll put it here. You can put a breaker to break it should in case the current come in a full voltage and you need to break the current. This I've already installed a breaker here. So it's on a 3-phase. That is how the manure scraper works. So that is just the A to Z. Should in case you need any of our services. Before now, also know we sell cages. We sell cages. We have hot dip, we have cold dip, we have 96 capacity, we have 120 capacity, we have 128 capacity, we have 160 capacity. All of them are valuable. We have them in hot dip, we have them in cold dip, we have them in 3 tiers, we have them in 4 tiers. Should in case you want to go for locally fabricated ones, we do the A to Z on locally fabricated ones. We can customize to suit the customer's need. Irrespective of how you design your poultry farm, we can also customize to suit you. If you want customized one, we can do that for you. If you want the imported one, it's still available. So anything that has to do with farm setup, you want to talk about the building, we still do that. So should in case you want to invest into poultry, you want to invest into snakery, you want to invest into piggery, you want to invest into fishery, you can reach out to us. We'll do the A to Z. We'll do everything that you need. All you need to do is to remember to just call us on our number 080 36 92 57 18. If you are not in Nigeria, please put our country code +2 3 4 80 36 92 57 18. Should in case you just popped into our YouTube channel and you watch through our YouTube channel before, you want to know more about farm setup, please follow us. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Just give us a thumbs up. Tell us that you like our video. Then share our videos to your friends and family. Those are going into farm setup. You know the situation we are now. People are diversifying. You are in the oil sector. You in any sector you are. You want to invest. You want to be self-dependent. You want to go into something that is lifetime savings. Why not? You can go into fish production. You can go into poultry production. Any of the production you want to go into. Why not? You reach out to us. We do the A to Z for you. We show you how to do it, the cost of doing it, and everything. If you want anything about it, you can reach out to us. We are 24 hours online. Just call us today, and you'll be glad you did. Thank you, and do have a blessed day.